Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're looking at a really curious case, the brand Elior watches, and we're basing this on a review from the Mateo Guide YouTube channel.
And this one is a perfect example of what you need to watch out for. For you, the listener, our mission here is really to pull apart the difference between a polished look and, well, some serious red flags.
Absolutely. The source immediately points to this strange contradiction. You land on the site and you get these, heavy luxury vibes.
Right.
But then those vibes just completely clash with all these warning signs that pop up almost instantly.
And that aesthetic lure is the first hook. They're clearly going for a certain kind of buyer. The branding has this very specific, almost opulent Christian theme.
Oh, yeah, with names like Golden Cross and Crown of Thorns.
Exactly. Omega Gold. It's all meant to signal this deep heritage and, extreme luxury just with imagery alone.
And that's right where the story starts to fall apart, isn't it? Because you see this high-end marketing, and then you look at the price, and you see discounts up to 78%. I mean, that's not a sale. The source calls it what it is, a confession.
It is. The immediate thought is that these are just inexpensive factory watches dressed up to look like something they're not. But the discount is really just the surface.
Okay, so where does it go from there?
It's the total lack of substance underneath. I mean, the reviewer was just stunned by the amount of basic information that is completely missing from the website.
Right. This is the part that I think is so important for anyone shopping online. When you buy a watch, you expect to see specs.
You need specs.
And Elior gives you nothing. They don't even tell you the most fundamental detail. The movement.
Movement. Which is everything. Is it a cheap battery-operated quartz movement, or is it a complex automatic? I mean, that's a massive difference in value and quality.
And they just don't say.
The silence on that one point tells you almost everything you need to know.
It's not just the movement either, is it? It's pretty much everything.
Everything. The site says nothing about the case material or the strap. What kind of glass is on the face? Is it a durable sapphire crystal or just, cheap mineral glass that's going to scratch?
You have no idea what you're actually buying.
None. And it gets worse. What's the water resistance? Where is it made? And crucially, what does the warranty even cover? It's a complete transparency gap. It feels less like an omission and more like they're actively hiding low-quality parts.
And to compound all of that, there's the verification problem.
Right.
The source looked everywhere and found zero, and I mean zero, third-party reviews. No unboxing videos, no forum posts, nothing outside the brand's own website.
And that's the final piece of the puzzle, isn't it? That absence of proof. The storefront can look as fancy as it wants, but with no specs, no external validation, and those unbelievable discounts.
The whole thing just feels untrustworthy. It's a closed loop.
Exactly. It's just marketing with no product information to back it up.
So what's the takeaway here for you, the listener? I think it's a really powerful lesson in looking past that shiny, polished facade.
It is. You have to demand the technical details before you even think about buying. And it leaves you with a final, really important question to consider.
Which is?
If a brand is truly confident in its luxury product, if it's made with quality components, why would it choose to hide every single essential specification? The value of a product isn't in the discount they offer. It's in the details they're proud to share.